Hi everyone, I'm Zhou from the Department of Physics. My project title is Next Generation Semiconductors Serving for Smart Society. So let me start with the background of this technology. As we all know, carbon neutrality is one of our most urgent goals. Hong Kong has recently released a plan to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. And the recent carbon footprint in Hong Kong shows that while the major contribution of the carbon emission is from the electricity generation, there are decent contributions from the transport and waste. Therefore, in order to achieve carbon neutrality in modern cities such as Hong Kong, we not only need to decarbonize our energy generation, but also requires a smart management of all kinds of urban activities. And technology foundation for both aspects will be semiconductor. For example, semiconductor solar cells should be used for powering our buildings. Semiconductor LEDs must be used for replace the conventional lights. Semiconductor computing and IoT devices should be used for harness the big data. And all of these device applications have driven an intense search for lower semiconductors that can be inherently cheaper than conventional semiconductors. As you know, for conventional semiconductors, all the materials and devices are fabricated using the high temperature vacuum deposition and making these materials and devices very costly. Therefore, in our lab, we are currently working on a lower type of semiconductors called perovskite semiconductors. And for these materials, we are making them using a low temperature solution printing process, like how the newspaper is produced. By adopting this lower processing technology, we can make the cost of the materials and the devices much lower than the conventional semiconductors. And that represents a very high value for commercialization. So we haven't started our company, but I would like to highlight a few of our achievements here. So in the past few years, we have published 39 papers as corresponding and first authors in all these very high impact journals. And I'm recently invited by Electric Energy to write a review paper on this novel semiconductor. I'm one of the world top 2% scientists based on the citation impacts of our work. Okay, I recently have organized the prominent perovskite topic symposium in the MIS meeting, which is a major research hub for this research community. And I recently received the HKBU President Award for the Outstanding Early Career Research and the China Top Rating Star in Science and Tech for my perovskite research.